Did you ever put a flashlight in your fridge? In this short video I'll show you why this can be really a good idea that can even save you a lot of money. For this ingenious trick all you need is your fridge and a flashlight. Of course it is important that it works. It doesn't matter if it's a flashlight or a mobile phone. Now you open your fridge and put the flashlight in here. However, you shouldn't just put it in the fridge. You have to put it in the fridge for a good reason. There is a very special reason for this, which I will now explain to you in detail. Because when it's in the fridge like that and you turn it on, then we can really use this trick. But what is the whole thing for anyway? When you close and open your fridge normally, it's always the case that the light only comes on when you open the fridge. When you close it, there comes a point when the light in the fridge goes out again. This saves a lot of energy, of course, because if you don't open the fridge, you don't need a light in the fridge. But if you now put a flashlight in, turn it on and close the fridge, you will see that the light in the fridge continues to shine, even when you close the door. And I'll show you now how you can save money with that. Because this rubber seal could become porous at some point, and then you would only see it when you have light in the fridge. And turn off all your lights in the kitchen. If you see light shining through from the flashlight somewhere, then you know it's time to replace the rubber, because otherwise a lot of energy is lost. Also, have you ever put a sanitary napkin on your wiper? In the video I'm linking to you here, I'll show you why you should definitely do this. You would make me really happy if you click the like button and subscribe to my channel.